Hi guys, this is us and Brody, and today we're going to be opening up this Venusaur V battle deck and this one that's pretty, I don't know the name of it, but it has 2 packs and then 3 cards on the front, and then of course the coin. So first, I'm probably going to go with this. So these are the cards on the front: Snorlax, Morpeko, and Applin. And then, of course, the coin. And then the packs: Sword and Shield, Darkness Blaze, and Sword and Shield Battle Styles. Code. Leaf Energy, Dartix, Clang, Struggle Gloves, Sentret, Galarian Darkuma, Grimer, Lavatar, Shelmet, Hollow. Oh! Solomon's V! Solomon's V! Oh! Solomon's V card! No way! Dude! Full art! Solomon's V card! Let's go! Okay, start the first pack up with success. The Solomon's V card. Okay. So best card for sure. Then let's open this. Right. Code. Stronger Single Strike, Houndoom Single Strike, it's a hollow, Electabuzz, Lickitung, Cereboo, Horsey, Murkrow, oh I did it the wrong way, Catrin, Rapid Strike, and Extra Share. So our rare was, this. But we actually got a V card first open. We got a V card. Next, we're gonna be opening up this. Comes with 60 cards, and then including this Venusaur V. Then huge coin, and then with Venusaur, then the game, the instructions, then promo code, then just some more directions. Then these have the Pokemon in them. Energy, 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 energy. Yama, Hop, Skiddo, Yanamega, Dan Trainer, Leaf Energy, Go-Go, Durant, Llama, Leaf Energy, Guzzaflower, Fleur, Dan, Great Ball, Leaf Energy, Hop, Bead, Potion, Leaf Energy, Switch, Indie, Evolution, Energy, Durant, Llama, Sunny, Leaf Energy, Heracross, Gym Trainer, Skiddo, Leaf Energy, Hop, Great Ball, Gym Trainer, Heracross, Pokemon Catcher, Leaf Energy, Potion, Dan, Switch, Energy, Bead, Dan, Leaf Energy, Skiddo, Go-Go, Hop, Eldegoss, Leaf Energy, Gozziflower, Omega, Indies, and Leaf Energy, and Durant. So, I thought this would be a lot better. I mean, on the front at least we got, where's the card? This, obviously, but we got like the same of everything pretty much, like so many Yamas, so many trainers, but I can't believe we actually got a V first try though on that first pack. Salamence V. So, bye guys. Smash the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.